I was originally unsure of which field I wanted to go into, and seeing the program range that Constructor offered was really interesting because then I could easily pick between different areas of expertise. In addition, my sister also came to study at Constructor, and that was also understanding her path and how that influenced her career was a huge motivator for me. I would say mostly the people. The people that you get to know and the diversity around it influenced a lot the way you look at academics, for example, but also in terms of the way you live on a daily basis in campus life. Because you get different perspectives and different opinions on certain topics and, of course, different backgrounds. And that influences the way that you think of certain concepts within the studies, but also how you interact with different people post-graduation as well. I would say we learn a lot of academic concepts within the classes, but understanding how that plays out within different events and throughout campus life, it's mostly where you can actually put practice what you've learned. In my current job, I'm working mostly with marketing and technology aspects of things, and while I was here at Constructor, I understood how startups work on a ground level and understand how the marketing behind that also works. And kind of connecting those two was really interesting, something that I got outside of the classrooms as well. Plus interacting with my peers within those events also created meaningful network connections. I would say my career highlight is finding a job that actually mixes the technology side that I'm really into, but also the expertise that I have within marketing. So I'm standing in between the customers and the development of technology products. I would say that the biggest milestone that I've had is working for Moya at the moment. We're trying to solve a problem on how to make cities more livable for people, and that is something that I'm quite passionate about. I would say academics is important, and it's of course the main reason why students come to Constructor. But the life that happens around that, it's also as relevant. I think you can focus a lot on your studies, and that is great. But also take in every second that you have with your peers and within the events and within the campus life that goes beyond the classrooms, because that is actually what makes a bigger mark as who builds you as a person, but also in a professional life.